Hi everyone, welcome to our TV channel. In this video I'm going to be cooking okra. I have two varieties. One will be plain and the other one will be in stew. I'll also be making eba and amala. To make amala, I have some yam flour. Amala is simply yam flour. It's yam that has been processed, dried and ground into flour state. I'm going to add it into a saucepan of boiling water. I have a cup that's sufficient for one portion. So I'll be stirring it into the hot water, working quickly so as to avoid lumps. At this stage, it's best to have the cooker going on very low heat because amala has a tendency of burning whilst cooking. Once you've made the amala into a nice soft dough or a paste, you add in a little bit of water, hot water, on low heat for about 5 minutes. The amala is now ready, so I'm going to wrap it in cling film. You don't have to wrap it if you are going to be eating straight away, but if you are keeping it for later, then you can wrap it up and place in a cooler, in a food warmer. I'll be serving the amala with a plain okra, with some stew. You can add meat, either beef, goat, assorted meat. I've got a piece of chicken.